Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Can you hear me? Oh, I can't hear you. Hello. Hi.
Chào
What's
cô.
that? What are those? Oh. Huh? What are those? Gold. Hmm? Are those cars? Oh, yeah, those are cars. Okay, how many cars?
7
Seven cars. So you've got seven cars. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. What color are they? Can you show me? What color? This is yellow.
This is yellow.
Hmm.
This is red.
Oh, I like it.
This is purple.
Purple. Wow, purple car.
Yellow.
Another yellow. Okay, so you have two yellow cars. And another purple. So you have two purple cars.
Blue.
Yeah,
Blue.
that's blue. Yes. Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm. Another red.
color.
Red car again. All right. So do you like cars? Gold, do you like?
Would you like it? Yes, I
Yes.
do.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, me too. I like cars, but I
Oh,
like the silver and white. I like white cars. What's your favorite color for cars? What's your favorite
màu
car color?
nên nó cũng thích cái
Which one is your favorite? Which
red.
car? Which car do you like? Oh, the red ones. Yeah, I like the red ones too. They're nice. All right. So, how are you today, Gold? Oh, yeah. Very nice. How are you?
Làm gì? Làm gì ta?
Hmm.
Good. Good.
You're good. All right. How's the weather today? Is it raining? Is it raining today?
Rồi.
Hmm? Is it raining or hot?
Thời tiết á.
Uh,
Ừ. Thời tiết
How's the weather today? Gold. How's the weather? It's hot. Ah, okay. It's hot today. All right. So today is hot. Okay, Gold. Can you say today it's hot? Today is hot. Or maybe you can say the weather
đó.
today. The weather today is hot.
Đó là
Okay, the weather, Gold, can you say that? The weather today is hot.
đó là
Can you say the weather today is hot?
đây đi.
This one, please read. This one, the weather. Oh, it's rainy. What did you say?
Gió. Windy.
Oh, it's windy. You said it's hot. Hot and windy? And windy? Is this right? Is this right? That one? The weather today is hot and windy?
Windy. Gió là
Yes.
gió. Đúng không?
Is this correct? Yes? Yes. Okay. It's hot and windy today. All right. Oh, I think you sent me your homework. All right, so we will check your homework now. Let me share the video. Oh, what's this? I saw a dog. I can see a dog in your video. You have lots of animals. What's your video about? Hmm. Oh, the animals you see in your neighborhood. Okay, so we will watch your video now.
Ở trên
Can
bản
you see?
đồ.
Can you see it? Can you see?
Ở trên bài á. Nhìn thấy
Can
không?
you
Ở,
see?
ở trên bài gì? Có hỏi nhìn thấy không? Yes.
Yes, I can.
I can. Yes, I can.
All
Không
right,
biết.
good job. So let's start watching.
I can see one bird.
Um,
I can see one dog.
just the bird and a dog. Oh, is this your house? Is this your
Nè.
house? Is this your house? Grandmother. Oh, it's your grandmother's house. So your grandmother has a bird and a dog. Mm. All right. So your grandmother has a dog and a bird. Okay, good job, good job. So you can see a bird and a dog. All right, very good. Gold. Now we're going to have this one. So we will learn about zoo animals. Can you say zoo animals? The zoo. The zoo. Animals. Animals. So we have the zoo animals here. So we will read the words. Gold. Let's read. Monkey. 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 Elephant. Elephant. One more. Tiger. 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 Oh, bear. Bear. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Yeah,
Kangaroo.
kangaroo. Very good. Penguin.
Penguin.
Penguin. Yes, very good. All right, so gold. What's this?
Monkey.
Monkey. Yeah, do you like monkeys? Do you like?
No.
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 No, you don't. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not?
No.
Why not?
No, I don't.
Tại sao con? Tại sao con? Why not?
Peanut. Huh? Peanut.
Why not? Why don't like it? You don't like it. Are you scared? Are you scared? Are you scared of monkeys?
Yes.
Yes. Ah, okay. I'm scared. I'm scared of monkeys. Monkeys. Can you say
Ngồi
that?
lên
I'm
nữa.
scared of monkeys. Where are you now? Where did you go? All right. Can you say I'm scared of monkeys?
Nào đọc kịp. Scared of monkey.
All right. Good job. All right. How about this one? What's this? Elephant. Do you like elephants?
Yes, I
Yes.
do.
Why? Why do you like it?
Mm,
Because why do you like elephants? I like elephants because
ở trong tủ. Mm, mm, French.
it's because it's because it's
Elephant. Lion. Lion.
light. I can't hear. One more time.
The
Please say it again.
the rainwater.
The rainwater.
You like elephants because it drinks water?
In the
Because
lake.
it drinks water?
And in the lake.
Ah, in the lake. Because they drink. It should be they drink. Because we use elephants from the lake. Ah, okay, can you say that again? I like elephants because they drink water from the lake.
Because they drink water from the lake.
Okay, they can drink water from the lake. What do they use? Which part of its body it used to drink water?
Nó bộ 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 phận
Bộ phận.
nào bộ bộ phận
Mm.
nào trên cơ thể nó dùng để uống
Oh, so
nước.
long.
Nose.
Nose. We call it elephant's trunk. We call it trunk. Okay?
Chừng. Chừng.
Trunk. We call it trunk. Okay? This part is the trunk. Yeah. The nose of the elephant, we call it trunk. Okay? Can you say trunk?
Trunk.
Yeah, we can say it uses its trunk to drink water. It uses its trunk. Oh, it uses its trunk to drink water. Good. It uses its trunk.
To drink
Trunk.
water.
Yes, that's right. It uses its trunk to drink water. Okay, how about this one? What's this? Goat.
Tiger.
Tiger. Yes, that's right. Do you like tigers?
Cái con hổ.
Do you like tigers?
No. No.
Why not? Why not? Hmm? You're
Yeah.
scared too? You're also scared of tigers? Oh, yeah. Tigers are wild animals. Yeah, that's right. They're very scary. I don't think if they're friendly, but yeah, tigers are scary. Okay, what can you say about tigers? What can you say about tigers' appearance?
Thì ngoài hình của nó to mà
No.
cái cốt.
Big? Yeah, big. Yeah, tigers are big. It's
Yes.
big. The tiger is big. What else? How about its color? What color? What colors are the tiger?
Yes. Yes. And black.
It's yellow. It's orange. It's orange. Orange with tigers are orange with black stripes. Okay, this one. Can you say that, Gold? Hello. Oh, you're playing with your cars. Okay, one more time, Gold. Tigers are orange with black stripes. Is that right? Right?
Yeah.
Is that right? Okay, can you say that? Tigers are orange with black stripes.
Yeah.
Can you say that? Gold. Tigers are orange.
Tigers are orange with black
Stripes. Stripes.
stripes.
We call them lines. Like your clothes, you have stripes too.
No.
Your Shirt
Ừ.
has stripes too.
Cái áo của con cùng sọc kìa.
Yeah. Good. Your shirt has stripes too. Those are stripes. Yes, that's right. So you have stripes like that. Are you a tiger? Are you a tiger or a zebra? Okay, how about this one code? What's that?
Bear.
Hmm? Yeah, a bear. Yeah, it's a bear. Do you like bears?
No.
Oh, why
I
not? Hmm?
don't.
Tại sao lại
Why
con
not?
không thích?
Scared.
You're scared. Why? Why are you scared of bears?
Con
Mm,
Because
mm,
because
mm,
không thích
because
nói em.
because can you say
Vì sao?
because?
Sao? Tại sao lại không thích nhỉ? Vì nó sao nhỉ?
Because
um,
Đấy. Tại sao lại đáng sợ đấy?
mm,
Hả? À,
is it big
no.
or small? Is it big or small?
Mm,
Is it big or small? Big or
mm,
small?
big.
It's big. Yeah, that's right. Okay. So
Big.
you can say I don't like, I'm scared of bears because they're big. Can you
ừ.
say that? Gold. I'm
Mm,
scared.
Đọc theo cô.
Hello. Hello. I'm scared of bears
Đọc theo cô kìa.
I'm scared of because
because
they
they're big. They're
are
big.
big.
Yes, that's right. They're big. Oh, yes, they're big. They're big. All right. How about this one?
Con gì kìa?
This one gold.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Yeah. Do you like kangaroos?
Yeah. Thích con kangaroo.
No,
No,
I don't.
you don't. Why not? Why not?
Mà sao không thích chưa?
Con thử con.
Hả? Thì sao?
Ừm, ừm, ừm,
Ai biết?
Why? Why?
ừm,
You don't know? It can jump really high. Good. Kangaroos can jump really high. Hey, hello, 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 gold. It can jump really high. Oh, he's playing with his cars. Can you say it can jump really high? Are you scared of kangaroos because
Thì sao? Không sợ kìa.
they can jump really high?
Đấy. Sợ kìa. Ok.
Bear.
Yes,
Nào, tập trung cô hỏi
yes,
cái gì kìa. Rồi hồi này chơi. Bạn có sợ chuột túi không?
yeah.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So let's copy this. I'm scared. I'm scared of kangaroos because they can jump really high. Can you read it?
Đọc kìa.
I'm scared.
Đọc kìa.
I'm
Scared.
scared of kangaroos because they can't jump really high.
Really, really.
Really high.
Thì
Yes,
nó nhảy
that's
xuống.
right. Good job. Okay, how about this one?
Con gì
What
thì con gì?
animal?
Mm,
Penguin. Do you like penguins?
Yes,
Yes.
I
Why?
do.
Why do you like it? Why do you like them?
Cute.
Ah, cute. I like penguins
Sweet.
because they're cute. One more time. I like penguins because they're cute. I like, one more time, say it in complete sentence. I like penguins
Penguins.
because
Because
they're cute.
they're cute.
Good job. Very good, Gold. All right. So we're finished with this one. Okay, so what's your favorite? What's your favorite zoo animal?
Con thích con gì vậy?
Good.
Pen.
Hmm?
Pen.
What? Không thích mà thích
Penguin.
con gì?
Penguin?
Con mèo đi.
Cat.
Cat. Good. Cat is not a zoo animal.
Về du mà về du.
Zoo
Về
animal.
du là con từ gì?
Zoo animal
Không
only.
có con mèo đâu. Chỉ có mấy cái con khác thôi. Thích con nào?
Cat is not a zoo animal. It's a pet.
Ủa? Thích con khác đấy. Con nào?
Là con
Con cổ.
rat.
Hmm?
Con hươu có cổ.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Con hươu cổ với
So
con
you
gì
like
vậy?
giraffes. Why? Why do you like giraffes?
Tại sao là thích con hươu cổ?
Why do you like it? Why do you like
Snake.
giraffes?
Snake.
Snake?
Sao á?
Long.
Ah, okay. Its neck is long. I like giraffes
Thâu. Thâu là gì?
because they have
Thâu.
long
Long.
necks. Long necks. They have long necks. Okay, one more time. Say it again, Code. I like.
Giraffe. Because they have a long neck.
Yeah, they have long necks. All right, good job, Gold. And yeah, so let's have this one now. Look at the picture. Can you see the picture,
Medium,
Gold?
medium.
Okay, so you have to listen and number the picture. Okay, so you have to write numbers here. Okay, are you ready? You will listen and write numbers. Are you ready? Ready? Yes. All right, let's start.
Page 52. B. Listen and number. 1,
Look, it's a kangaroo. I like kangaroos.
2,
Where's the kangaroo? Mhm. That's number one. Where's number one?
Đâu rồi?
Đây, con viết vô đây đừng bỏ đâu.
Viết số 1 à? Ủa sao viết được chứ?
Viết ở đây cũng được.
Ừ.
Viết cho con kangaroo luôn. Không được, không, con mà bỏ ra là không viết được.
Do you want to
Không.
listen again?
Không.
Oh, it's
Không được.
raining. Where's number one? All right, let's listen again.
Nào,
1,
viết cho con kangaroo luôn chứ.
Look,
Cái này nó che
It's
rồi
a
nè.
kangaroo.
Again, one more time.
Look, it's a kangaroo. I like kangaroos.
2,
Mm-hmm. Okay, number two.
What color is the elephant? It's gray.
3,
Hai.
Ừ.
Mm-hmm. All right. How about number 3?
Look, a tiger. It's orange and black.
4,
Is it a bear? Yes, it is.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wait a minute.
Look, a tiger. It's orange and black.
4,
Is it a bear? Yes, it is. It's
Mhm.
brown.
5,
Từ từ.
How many monkeys can you see? I can see one monkey.
Ừ.
6,
Mình không biết gì.
Can you see a penguin? Yes, I can. It's black and white.
Oh.
Ừ.
Which one is 5 and 6?
Xích ra. Xích.
Mm-hmm. Okay. 5 and 6. 5 and 6. All right. So good job. Your answers are all correct. So we have 1. What's this? Gold. What's this?
Ừ. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. 2. What's this?
Ừ. Elephant.
Elephant. It's an elephant. 3. What's this?
Ừ. Tiger.
It's a tiger. It's a tiger. 4.
Tiger.
What's this?
Ừ. Bear.
It's a bear. And number 5. What's this?
Ừ. It's a monkey.
It's a monkey. And how about this one? What's this?
It's a penguin.
It's a penguin. All right, good job, Gold. Very good. All right, so I'm going to give you your homework now. Oh no, I wrote here. Oh no, what happened? Wait a minute. Mm. It's not homework. All right, so I'm going to give you your homework now, Gold. So for your homework, please record a video showing pictures of other zoo animals that you know and describe
Roi là gì? Roi là gì? Roi là gì?
Cô viết
showing
Roi.
and
quay video.
Roi gì?
describing. Oh no, describing.
Driving.
Roi.
Cầm tay mình viết.
All right. This one, please record a video.
Mình đọc về nhau. Hãy quay một video giới thiệu và mô tả hình ảnh các loài động vật khác trong sở thú
Mà
Bài
M
tập về nhà,
bếp
hãy quay một
I need
video
to
giới
go
thiệu và mô
now.
tả hình ảnh các loài động vật khác trong sở
Okay.
thú mà em biết.
Oh, that's too long. Okay, Gold.
Okay.
Please don't forget to do your homework. Okay. All right. So
Okay.
that's the end of our lesson. All right. So good job. Good job. I'll see you again on Friday. Goodbye. Go. Oh, marker. Oh, that's nice. So you like coloring. Oh, it's a marker. Yeah. It's a blue marker. All right. See you again next time. Go. Goodbye. High five. Hey, high five. All right. See you next time. Bye.